Yo, what's good YouTube? It's your boy Lethabo Mampana and I'm back again with another YouTube video. If it's your first time up in this channel, make sure you hit the subscribe button so you can become part of the family. If you already subscribed to my YouTube channel, shout out to you. You and I are buddies. Hit the like button for the YouTube algorithm so that this video can be spread out to other people in recommendation. Then they can get to enjoy the good content that comes with this video. So guys, I know it's been a month of Sunday since I've uploaded a video on my YouTube channel, but trust me when I say I've been busy with some good things. And in today's video, I'm really happy to share with you guys the good news because this channel has got a sponsor. So this video has been made possible by our sponsorship or our sponsor, which is Fibo Group. So this is a new broker that I would like to introduce to you guys, and this is how we're going to go about it. So I'm currently partnered with Fibo Group. So this is a broker, international broker, that I want you guys to have a look at. Right, so this is how I'm going to go about doing this thing. So I'm going to run a challenge that is partnered with a competition. So there is $100 up for grabs for people that register with my link that is found in this video's description. So what you need to do, you need to go into this video's description and click on that link. That is a referral link, a partner link basically. So you're going to click on it and you register your account, you verify everything. Then what you need to do is to deposit a minimum of $10. Once you deposited that minimum of $10, you hit me up on my WhatsApp number, which is 2763497186 plus 2763497186, or you can simply find it at the beginning of this video on the picture there. Then you can just hit me up with your details and let me know that you registered and you deposited. Then I will put you in a separate group to what I currently have. So I will have a group called $10 challenge. So we're going to run a challenge of $10. Whoever gets $200 first and get to withdraw the amount, I will top that amount with another $100. So this is the deal. If you want to become part of that group, you can just simply hit me up and make sure that you open the account with Fibo Group, which is an international broker. So just do so. Then I will then send you some signals in that group, and I will also analyze with you, and I will be fully committed to it 100% because this is a competition, right? So I think that is clear, and if it's not clear, I will just keep on updating you guys on how everything goes. So right now what I want to do is, before I can show you which pair is it that I'm looking for or I'm looking at, I will just simply show you guys the interface of this broker, and I will show you how to open an account, how to go about clicking on that link. I will basically show you what happens when you click on that link for registration. Then once you registered, you can just simply top up with $10. Then from there you can hit me up on my WhatsApp number and I will add you to a group where I will be sending you guys some signals and some analysis, and I will basically do everything with you guys. So whoever gets $200 first, and I will top that $100 and it will be $200. Then you can withdraw your money. So without any further ado, let me first show you the interface of this broker. Then I will show you how I do some analysis, because I will be looking at so many pairs and I will share them with you. So without any further ado guys, let's get right into my laptop screen. Cheers. Alright guys, so now that we are on my laptop screen, so this is what you need to do. So I'm currently logged into my my Fibo Group account, and this is what you're going to need to do. So you will be having a link, and your link will look something of this nature. So the link is found in my video's description. So you're just gonna enter and it will take you to the screen. So this is what you will see when you click on the link. Then you're going to press on open live account. Then from there you're going to simply put in your email address. Then once you put in your email address, then it will take you to another step where you will be required to verify your details, your email, your cell phone number, where you will be required to actually post your or upload your documents, which is your ID as well as proof of residence. Then you will basically update everything, even the withdrawal information as well as deposit. You will see everything in there. So let me just demonstrate to you guys. I'm just going to put in a random email address so that you can have a look at it. So I'm just going to say Lethabo Mampana lethabo@gmail.com. Then you're gonna press on open account. Let's see if it does go. This is not a real email, but then it went through, you see. So then from there you're going to click on confirm. Once you have put in your email address, then you're gonna say confirm. If you're from South Africa, then you're going to leave it on South Africa. Then if you're from any other country, then you're going to select from here. Then you will find your country there. Then from there you're going to confirm. You press confirm. Then it will take you to your email. You will have to log into your email address. So it will say, dear client, thank you for having chosen Fibo Group to be your broker. In order to fully provide to be fully provided with our services and enable all the section of your client area, kindly follow the below steps, right? Then the first step will be to confirm your email address and mobile phone number, right? Then the second step will be filling in your personal profile and submit additional details form. Then the last step will be submitting your proof of ID and proof of address in my profile section. So it's that simple. So once you registered and everything is fine, you can now then deposit them. Once you deposit it, make sure that you hit me up on my number that you can find on at the beginning of this video. Then you can hit me up and say, hi, I registered with your link to Fibo Group and I deposited with $10. Then I will put you in a group where I will be sharing with you signals, and whoever that gets $200 first from that $10, I will top that $100 with another $100 to make it $200. Then you can withdraw. Yeah, so it's that simple. So now let's move to the business of the day, which is to analyze, right? So let's analyze. Okay, right. So now that we are analyzing, so this is GBPJPY and I'm currently on daily time frame. So here on daily time frame, we can clearly see that this is on an uptrend, right? GBPJPY is currently on an uptrend as far as we have this information on the screen right now. So then that's what we basically do. On a higher time frame, we establish a market structure. If you are an OG to my channel, then you know how we do the things. You know the drills basically. So this is what we do. We can clearly see that it is currently going to the upside. Then we can further then go to 4-hour time frame to confirm the direction as well as to pinpoint our point of interest. And remember, on 4 hours, the point of interest, we can see them in 3 ways: in highs or lows, as well as order blocks. So right now, like I always say on my YouTube channel, you can never take my word for it when I'm saying this is going to the upside. So we need to then prove that it is indeed going to the upside. So I'm just going to have this as our low. Then this will be our high, a higher low. Then we will have a higher high here, higher low, a higher high, a higher low. This is clear, guys. Then we have a higher high. So now we're going to quickly move to 4-hour time frame to confirm that even the 4-hour time frame aligns with a daily time frame. So let's quickly move to 4-hour time frame and see if the combos are communicating or not. So right now we're on 4-hour time frame. So this is what we're having on 4-hour time frame. We can still confirm that it is going to the upside. So this was a high, and this was a higher low, a higher high, a higher low, a higher high, higher low, and higher high, higher low here. So then we confirm that indeed this pair is going to the upside on daily time frame as well as 4-hour time frame. But then what else do we need to do on 4-hour time frame? Like I said, we need to pinpoint our point of interest. So in this case, we're going to look at highs, lows, as well as order blocks. So we're going to zoom in so that we can see the market clearly, right? So this is what's happening. We can now have a better clear, or we can have a better view. So we can see here that the structure was broken to the upside. This also confirms that we are indeed going to the upside. Then when price was going to the upside, breaking that structure there, it left some order blocks. So we're going to pinpoint those order blocks and we wait for price to patiently tap into that order block. Then once price tap into that order block, we're going to then move to 15 minutes time frame, where we will then be waiting for a change of character, so that the market on 15 minutes also align with the market on 4 hours as well as daily time frame, if I'm making sense, guys. So we know that we are going to the upside, and then it has been proven by breaking the structure to the upside. But then what we need to do to see which order block can we use, then we're going to pull our Fibonacci retracement tool and it will show us some order blocks. So this order block here is resting at 50% Fib level. So this is the order block that we're going to focus on right now, because price has already even tapped into it. So let's focus on this order block at the moment, because that's where the price reversed. So this is what we're going to do. And now let me just quickly remove the Fib level. Then now, since price has tapped into that order block, we need to then move to 15 minutes time frame, where we want to see a realignment and as well as change of character, if I can just put it that way, because realignment and change of character is basically the same thing. So now let me move to 15 minutes time frame and see what's going on there. Right, so we're currently on 15 minutes time frame. Remember, this pair is going to the upside on daily time frame as well as 4-hour time frame, right? So now we have to see the market moving to the upside even on 15 minutes in order for us to be confident to take that trade, meaning that we are now having some confluence to the upside. Right, so we can't be selling when the higher time frame, which is daily time frame as well as 4 hours time frame, saying we are buying. Then when we get to 15 minutes time frame, then we want to sell. It doesn't make sense. So we have to go in line with higher time frame. Yes, so as it stands here on 15 minutes time frame, so this is what's happening. We have we're just going to follow price action basically. So we have a high here, then we have a low, we have a lower high, we have a lower low, we have a lower high, lower low before price tap into that order block. Then we have a lower high, then we have a lower low. That's when price tapped into that order block. So let me just zoom in. Let me just zoom in quickly so that it can be clearly visible. So what's happening is we've been seeing a series of lower lows and lower highs here on 15 minutes time frame from this high here. So meaning that on 15 minutes time frame, price was going to the downside, so we couldn't have taken a sell, because 4 hour time frame says we are going to the upside as well as daily time frame. So we need to see a realignment, we need to see a change of structure or change of character to the upside so that we can take a trade from there. So this is what's happening, guys. Before, remember, this was a lower low, then lower high, right? This was a lower low, then we had a lower high here, then now we have a lower low inside that 4 hour time frame order block. So this is what we want to see happening. So we clearly saw that we tapped into that order block, then price went to the upside to leave a lower high, right? So this was a lower high, then it went further to the downside to break this structure inside this order block to make a lower low. So let me just point it out with our trend line here. So this is a break of structure to the downside, then here we had a lower high, then this line here was the line, or this level here was the level that we were waiting to see broken to the upside as our change of character. So price went to the downside, it went to the upside leaving this lower high here, then it further went to the downside to break this level. So this, I can say, it's a liquidity purge that we want to see happening inside the 4 hour time frame order block, right? So then price went to the upside and it changed character to the upside here on 15 minutes time frame, meaning that we are no longer going to the downside on 15 minutes time frame. Now we are aligning with daily time frame as well as 4 hour time frame. So this is now making sense for us to take a buy than to take a sell. Right, so price went to the upside, but when price going to the upside, it left an order block before it could even change character here. So where is that order block, or which order block can we use? We're still going to apply the same rule of placing our Fibonacci retracement tool. So what we need to see on that Fibonacci retracement tool, we want to focus on any level or on any order block that's below the level 50 of Fib zone, right? So everything that's below 50%, then that's what we're going to solely focus on. So it can be on 50, it can be on 78, it can be on 71, I mean 79 and 71. So that's what we're going to focus on. So right now we can see there is our 50% Fib level zone. So the only order block that we have here is this one, is the order block that's sitting here. Right, so that's the only order block that we can use at the moment on 15 minutes time frame. So we're going to mark it out. Let me remove this Fib level so that everything is clear and we don't get confused. So this is the level that we are waiting for price to come and tap into, then take us to the upside. So what happened is we basically missed the trade. So this is just me showing you guys how to analyze if you are willing to do it on your own. And like I said, if you're not able to do it on your own, you can also hit me up, or you can always hit me up on my WhatsApp number, and you can join our free free WhatsApp group. It's a community group of traders where we share about signals, trading analysis, each and every single thing that is forex related, we talk about it in there. And then there is a separate group which is the one that goes with our with today's sponsor, which is Fibo Group. So if you want to join that group for $10, you can just simply hit me up after opening an account with Fibo Group. I talked about it in the beginning of the video, so let me not confuse you. But then for those who didn't get it in the first time when I said it, is you have to go into this video's description, click on that link, register an account, open a live account with Fibo Group, then deposit a $10 into your live account, then hit me up on WhatsApp, then I can add you to my signal groups, and that signal group is for free. Whoever gets to $100 first will win another $100. Then you will have $200 that will be withdrawn if you want to withdraw it. And then if you still want to continue trading, you can just continue trading to whatever amount that you feel safe for you to withdraw. So back to this video. So here we missed the opportunity to enter. So we missed it by inches, as you can see. So this is where we were waiting for price to come and tap, then take us in. Then our first take profit was definitely going to be this one, and our stop loss was going to be here. Is less than 25 pips. So we missed this trade, but then in a nutshell, I believe that you saw how you can approach the market. So basically this is how we approach the market, and if you keep following the same thing over and over again, you will succeed. You know, as the saying goes, Jack of all trades is a master of none. So you have to master a single trade until, or you have to focus on a single trade until you become a master of it. Because if you're then going to try and master all the trades, you're not going to be a master at all. So Jack of all trades is a master of none. So let's focus on one thing repeatedly, then we're going to become masters of that. And another saying in football, it says, or not even in football only, but it says practice makes perfect. So if you can continue practicing one thing over and over again, you will definitely become a master of it. You will definitely be an expert of it. You will definitely be in the know of it. I mean, you will definitely know that thing like just like that. You know what I mean? If I can just say it say it like that. So guys, I guess this video is now too long. It's longer than I expected to be. So this is how we basically went through GBPJPY, and this is how you can continue to approach the market and trade the market. So without making this video any longer than it is at the moment, it has been your boy Lethabo Mampana, and I'm out. Peace.